In this video, I will show you how to calculate percentage in Microsoft Excel. So we have this simple data, and to calculate percentage, firstly calculate obtain marks. So equal and enter the sum. Double click on it and select the subjects. Press enter. Equal sum and subject 5. Enter. So this is the obtained marks. To calculate percentage, equal, select the obtained marks, divide by total marks. So enter the slash between obtained and total marks. Then enter the asterisk 100, press enter. Now drag and drop. So this is the way you can calculate percentage in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.